Namaskar, welcome to Honest Astrologer, and today we will do part 2 of Shani Mahadasha with my dear friend Vishal. And we did part 1 in a typical Shani fashion. A lot went wrong, and then our internet snapped, and we had to postpone it. And in a typical Shani fashion, it got postponed 2 weeks more. This time I called up Vishal and told him, जैसे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं किसी दिन घेराव हो जाएगा मेरा और गाड़ी पे पत्थर पड़ेंगे. You better find time for us and answer the questions. So Vishal, welcome back.
Thank you so much. And it was a lot of fun last time. Although, as you said, हम लोग शनिदेव के जो hurdles थे उनको पार करते करते वो वीडियो बना रहे थे.
Yeah.
But thankfully, we are here today.
So we were on Shani Ketu last time, and you were summarizing how to have a good Shani Ketu period. So over to you.
Right. हाँ जी. So last time I think we had kind of covered Shani Ketu substantially, but just to close it now, messaging is Shani Ketu is let go, right? This is the highest level of let go which we're talking about. On one side we have Shani who has limitations, who have boundaries, and then on the other side it is Ketu which has to let go of certain things. When I was approaching this part, I was a little fearful as to how this would go, right? Historically, both the planets have been a little bit tough on people. But if you remember those जो backstory में आपको बता रहा था कि how from Jupiter to Shani how the transition happened for me.
Yeah.
Mercury में वो struggle चल रही थी मेरी ना, frustrations. Although things were happening, but वो frustration जा नहीं रही थी अभी भी. Shani Ketu is when everything melted away, and I specifically want to use the word melted away because it just melted away. The ego melted away. My Jupiter ego melted away. कि मैं कौन था और अब मैं क्या हूँ. वो that whole thing melted away. Most importantly, we also have to look at where is Ketu sitting. Ketu is in my second house, right? So is yours. So family becomes a very important area of work in life, right? Ketu has a very different way of letting go. It gives you everything, right? Wherever it is, it gives you everything. Then you have to figure out what is that let go mechanism of it. You have to figure out how you have to give your sacrifices in that house. So second house is the house of family. And for a long time, I have been trying to think of coming out of Bangalore and shifting on this side of the world towards NCR because my father-in-law's health was asking for it, right? And we as a family decided that we have to move. But that let go was not happening. From a professional perspective, the place where I was very good for me in terms of my growth and everything else. So the let go was not happening. But when Ketu hit, that is where I told you last time I met my spiritual guru in spirit because he's not here anymore on this earth.
Yeah.
So Shani Ketu is when I met my spiritual guru. And a sense of calm came in. A sense of let go came in. I was completely okay to shift my base from Bangalore to NCR, right? A, to take care of my family. B, my professional side, I was okay if my professional side takes some hit. But on the other side, what I got was much more than what I expected. So it's a very different way of how Shani Ketu melted the whole thing away and brought me to this place. I was completely into sadhana, right? It was a very different type of sadhana because once you meet your spiritual guru, the person you have to eventually connect to, sadhana is not just procedural, right? It becomes very, very much surrounded by love. So there was a lot of love in the sadhana, and my mantra sadhana increased. In fact, I came closer to where the hub of my spiritual guru is. So I'm able to do more. So I think that's how Shani Ketu went. It made me leave a lot of things. On the other side, it brought in the right set of responsibilities. So that is how my Shani Ketu went.
So Shani Ketu, what I call it the Mahabharat period. Okay. Because the best imagery that I could think of between Shani and Ketu is the Mahabharat. उसमें भी गीता वाला period, right?
हाँ,
Ketu, like Arjun, doesn't want to get involved. है? केतु को नहीं घुसना दुनियादारी में. Whereas Krishna is often portrayed as blue, which is the color of Shani. Krishna says काम तो करना पड़ेगा boss.
correct.
So this conflict of these two energies, it's very difficult to handle. कि one part of you wants to run away, disconnect, become a spiritual, become a sannyasi, कि भाई इनको मारने के बजाय मैं सन्यासी बनना पसंद करूंगा. And
Correct.
other part of you says कि काम तो करना पड़ेगा, manage तो करना पड़ेगा, you have to go through it, you can't go around it.
Correct.
So इसीलिए I often tell शनि केतु वाले लोगों को कि साहब थोड़ा जो है ना, you might want to catch up on Gita. Remember we talked about this.
Yes.
And I
that's
told
right.
you कि Osho का गीता वाला is very good.
Osho Magita.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Swami Chinmayanand वाला version I also
Yes.
like.
Yes.
बाकी version
Ashtavakra, Osho Magita.
Ashtavakra Gita is beyond what we can.
Yes.
Because Ashtavakra is pure. Ashtavakra is pure Ketu.
Correct.
Ashtavakra has zero scope for Shani.
Exactly.
Mahabharat is a very Shani Mangal story.
हाँ.
Gita is a Shani Ketu thing. Ashtavakra Gita is pure Ketu. Jainism is a pure Ketu religion.
Correct.
छोड़ दो Jainism. So Ashtavakra Gita, so while Krishna explains everything to Arjun and it takes time, Ashtavakra tells Janak कि आंखें खोलो and you are enlightened. That's Ketu wala thing, and Osho did a beautiful job on Ashtavakra Gita, and Osho
Exactly.
used to keep Ashtavakra Gita a step above the Bhagavad Gita.
Exactly.
उनका ये
that
कहना है,
helped, during that period, that really helped. That really helped to bring a perspective. And as you said, right, when you draw the parallels to Krishna and Arjun or Mahabharata, right, the highest form of meditation is when you are meditating while you are working. That is where Shani brings work, karma, and Ketu brings meditation, let go.
निष्काम
How
कर.
do you balance Nishkam Kar? How do you balance the two? And I never expected कि I will go through such an experience. मैं तो तैयार बैठा हुआ था कि शनिदेव वैसे ही पीस रहे हैं, अभी केतु महाराज आएंगे और धुनाई होगी, शायद कटाई होगी. I will be cut to pieces, but again, a lot of things were cut to pieces, but not me. My ego was cut to pieces, right? My thought process was cut to pieces and put into a completely different new perspective. So beautiful period, sir. Very, very good period. Shani Ketu.
So one, you are an evolved person. Two, you have an exalted moon. And three, I have seen people are able to handle Shani better after the age of 36.
Absolutely.
People say साहब शनि मैच्योरिटी एज है. मैं कहता हूँ भाई शनि ऑलरेडी बहुत मैच्योर है, ये हमारी मैच्योरिटी
इंसान
हमारी मैच्योरिटी है. बिकॉज एट द एज ऑफ 36 you know that youth का madness goes where you think that you can do anything. शनि brings you the reality कि भैया बीवी है, बच्चा है, स्कूल फी, EMI, कहानी खत्म, अभी सपने छोड़ आगे बढ़. And the period of ultimate growth मैं मानता हूँ between 36 and 42. You know, they say life begins at 40.
तो ये 36 and 42 डेफिनेटली. बट मैंने एक और चीज जो एक्सपीरियंस करी है, विच इज जो बोलते हैं ना मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस, काफी कॉमन टर्म है मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस. दैट इज नथिंग बट शनि हिटिंग यू.
मैं अपना व्यू दूं इस पे आपको. ओके. एंड आई हैव डन माय रिसर्च ऑन मार्स, और उसमें सारे ये मस्कुलिनिटी वाली चीजें मैंने रिव्यू करें. एंड यू नो मी, मैं एक सिरे से घुसता हूं तो फिर दूसरे सिरे से निकलता हूं. So it is actually your Mars fighting back. It is actually your Mars fighting back, because when your Mars has been suppressed, तो बिटवीन 27 एंड 36 वो फाइट शुरू करता है, एंड अराउंड द मिड 30s जब शनि मैच्योर होता है
हाँ
तो वो एक बार मार्स उबलना शुरू करता. दैट इज व्हाई पीपल ट्राई टू क्लिंग टू, यू नो, यू सडनली हैव देम डाइंग देयर हेयर एंड बाइंग बुलेट्स एंड स्टार्टिंग अफेयर्स. वो जाति
हाँ
जवानी
हाँ
एक बार.
हाँ,
सो वो
वो
मिड लाइफ
आफ्टर
क्राइसिस,
40. हाँ
वो मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस इज योर मार्स रोरिंग वन लास्ट टाइम बिफोर इट बिकम्स मैच्योर.
हाँ.
ओके, तो वो शनि मैच्योरिटी, शनि ऑलवेज हैज अ मार्स कनेक्शन समहाउ.
हम्म.
सो शनि मैच्योरिटी के आसपास मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस आता. मंगल कहता है ऐसे नहीं जाऊंगा, आई विल नॉट डाई लाइक दिस. एक बार तो बॉस
एक
जीना है,
बार एक बार
एक बार
और.
तो जीना है, अभी जिंदा हूं मैं. सो
Exactly.
दैट thing typically ends around 42
Yeah.
when your Rahu maturity happens. So that Rahu madness finally becomes solidified as a practicality. So वहां
Exactly.
पे
वो
you have
chaos.
passed the threshold of Shani and the threshold of राहु. तो इन दोनों के
हाँ.
बीच में वो जो ट्रांजिशन होता, दैट इज व्हाई दे से लाइफ बिकम्स इन 40. दैट इज व्हाई 40 to 60 year olds rule the world. 58 is केतु
Yes.
मैच्योरिटी, कहानी खत्म. नाउ वेलकम टू केतु रेल.
पहुंच ही रहा हूँ सर.
या
वही पहुंच रहा हूँ.
नहीं नहीं, 58 कहाँ है यार, यू टू यंग फॉर 58. अभी अभी बहुत टाइम है, अभी टाइगर जिंदा है. ओके, so now coming to Shani Shukra period, what kind of changes happened in this period?
This was actually a beautiful curveball. Uh, I I have 5 women in my family. My mom, my wife, my daughter. On the other side, my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law. So I was scared getting into this period because मैं बोला शनि देव है, वीनस है, और but सर मैं बताऊं आपको, this has it's been a year now. It has been an amazing blessing of a period. Amazing blessing of a period. My Venus sits in my 9th house और उस पे जुपिटर की 9वीं दृष्टि है. और मेरा शनि वीनस, ऑल्दो शनि वीनस दे आर फ्रेंड्स, बट उनकी अपोजिंग एनर्जीज है. शनि वांट्स टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, वीनस वांट्स टू हैव प्लेजर, कंफर्ट्स. शनि वांट्स टू control that, but the whole placement, right? And because of the Jupiter aspect,
Yeah.
9th house became a very important place. And this is where I would say my last 1 year, right? I've been settled here in NCR. I've been with the entire family, my side and my wife's side, and all of us together. But the focus, right? So I lost my father in 2008. That was my, one of the lowest periods. My father-in-law is going through a lot of health issues now. My focus in the last 1 year has been around him. So we have moved the entire family around him. We have moved from Bangalore to NCR. I moved my, shouldn't say job, but job location and everything else, right? So a lot of love is pouring in during this Shani Venus period. Although, as I said, coming from our Punjabi roots, every sometimes one of the five
Ladies
decides that okay, they have to take a different direction. तो फिर वापस सेटल करते हैं चीजों को, बट कहीं ना कहीं छोटे मोटे हर्डल्स आते रहते हैं. बट ओवरऑल इट हैज बीन अ पीरियड ऑफ लव. Overall, it has been a period of my 9th house. My 9th house has come into picture. My father's affection. So this time, this is my father-in-law who is like a father to me. His affection has come into picture, and the responsibility towards my father, Shani, bringing in responsibility, right? So a lot of responsibility towards my father has come into forefront right now. So I would say that. Yes, I still have more time to go. अभी साल हुआ है, and it's still 2027. So still have to go through the phases of it. But so far, I would say it has brought me closer to my 9th house. It has given me a lot of responsibility, but along with my responsibility, it has given a lot of love also. Comforts के मामले में शनिदेव ने जैसा वो सोचते हैं वैसा ही किया है. I would want to be a little more comfortable. Shani Dev is making me work in a constrained place. तो वो तो situation वैसा ही है. But I would say that overall this period has started well that way.
Right.
आपका experience रहा है शनि Venus.
I was very young at that time, so I was in my
हाँ.
school days. So Shani Venus, my first intro to Shani Venus was, and I must say you are somebody who has navigated it very, very well. Shani after 36 is a blessing. Before 36, especially in your teens and your 20s, it's terrible, terrible. So you are an old man in a young body. It's pretty difficult. So what I have seen, and my first introduction to Shani Shukra was, I went to my father, Dad, मेरा जो है शुक्र आ रहा है. I was a young kid and I was very happy शुक्र आ रहा. कहते पुत्र शनि में शुक्र आ रहा, ज्यादा खुश ना हो. And he was a very big fan of H.N. Katwe sahab. Was one of the lesser known astrologers, but somebody who was an authority on Shani. Yeah. So काटवे साहब शायद कहीं लिखे थे शुक्र शनि फूटे मटके में खाना खिलाता. एंड आई वाज लाइक अब फूटा मटका कहाँ से लाऊं मैं यार, ये क्या है, इतनी मुश्किल भी ना था. So my experience as a child was a lot of domestic disharmony.
Okay.
So the only lady in our house was the mother, and she was struggling and a lot of nonsense was going on. So basically, generally an unhappy time. So Shani Dasha, start to end, was a painful time for me. Very frustrating. And I have a 9th house Shani. At times people ask me, साहब शनि तो मेरा लग्न लॉर्ड है, मेरा अच्छा नहीं करेगा. मैंने मकर लग्न को ज्यादा मारता ही है. So you have to, हाँ अपना बच्चा. Shani is a terrible father, a great godfather though. So only people who get discount are Tula Lagna and Vrishab Lagna. That is why I consider them very, very lucky. But for me, Shani was extra testy. Okay. Shani Shukra, since I was a child, so no wife, no girlfriend, nothing. But yes, I'd see my mother suffer and I'll try to serve my parents and all that. So basically an unhappy time. A lot of, we were living in a joint family at that time, so a lot of nonsense would happen. So wasn't a happy time.
Ye time, as you said, I think after 36, handling Shani is different, and I think placement also plays a very big role. Big role, because यहाँ पे on the other side, like you said, you have 9th house Shani, I have 5th house Shani, right? Father's father, and 5th house Shani, father's father. So वो है, और Venus is sitting in 9th with Jupiter aspecting it. Jupiter aspecting Shani also.
Shani as well.
So there is this triangle happening between them, and that kind of helps.
Saved. Yeah.
But the themes remain the same. The themes remain responsibility. The themes remain serving. Right? Like yesterday, I was with my father-in-law, with him spending some time. Piछले Sunday, I was with him उनके treatment के लिए. So again, I am. This is my, I would say, happy place, because you know how my relationship with my father was.
Yeah.
Right. And to be able to experience that once again in life, this is my happy place. And that is what Shanidev has given me.
No father like a 9th house Shukra. 9th house Shukra, I've seen a rocking father. And both my sons are born with a 9th house Shukra. I was born with a 9th house Shani. मुझे जो है पेरेंट्स ने खींच के रखा. My children are spoiled by me.
सही बात.
Anyways, so what would be your advice to someone undergoing Shani Shukra? What would you tell them? Because you have handled it beautifully.
Yes. So Shani Shukra, I would say, see, the most important thing is depending on what the placement is in the chart. So we'll not go there, because har ek ka kuch different placement hoga. But you have to embody your Mahadasha. So you cannot leave your responsibilities. You cannot leave your karma. You cannot leave your work, right? And depending on where Venus is, you have to look at which house needs attention through Venus. You have to bring in a lot of love, responsibility, work, serving into that house. Right? If it is ninth house, it is ninth house. If it is the fifth house, it is your children. If it is your first house, it is yourself. That means you owe a lot of responsibility towards yourself, self-love, self-care, taking care of your own health. That becomes your responsibility. Put a lot of love into it. Put a lot of energy into it. Don't forget, Venus first house, जैसे ही हम बोलेंगे हम बोले ओ comforts, pleasures, बढ़िया बढ़िया गिद्दा पाओ. नहीं, वैसा नहीं है. आप अभी भी शनि के दायरे में हो, but हाँ, bring all that sense of responsibility into that house of Venus.
So, giving back, what's the most important lesson you have learned through this Shani journey so far?
सर, मैंने ना थोड़े दिन पहले आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू राइट समथिंग अप. आई हैव दिस, माई हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग, सो आई कीप राइटिंग स्टफ. तो मैंने जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द थीम्स व्हाट आई हैव सीन. सो one of the things was, don't expect things to happen without the due effort, which you get habituated in Jupiter, right? Jupiter में सोचो होगा, कम effort डालो बहुत मिलेगा, but don't expect without your due effort, and be patient. Be patient. मतलब एक समय ऐसा आएगा आप दीवार पे सर मारोगे, but things will move after that. आप जब दीवार पे सर मारोगे तब दीवार थोड़ी आगे जाएगी. Live within your means. This is a harsh lesson, sir, जो मुझे मिला है. I have learned it in a very harsh way. My Jupiter time, I have actually lived like Jupiter, and I understood what is the meaning of being a minimalist is once I came into my Shani Mahadasha. So I would say, very important, if you are getting into it, start preparing accordingly. You will be surprised. Talking less. अभी आप इतना सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. Talking less. Jupiter में I used to talk professionally outside. Everybody talk a lot more. अब ऐसा है कि I talk professionally as well as with my friends, but I measure my talks.
Yeah.
And wherever I do, I'm focused on what I'm doing. ये है. और respect time. My biggest struggle again, discipline, timeliness. ये मतलब this is a big struggle which I'm having now also. हर दिन उस पे काम करना पड़ता है. But you have to respect time. Shani is the planet of time. Is the god of time.
Yeah.
Right? तो आप टाइम को नहीं रिस्पेक्ट करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली मार पड़ेगी. एंड और क्या, एडजस्ट टू अ लिटिल डिस्कम्फर्ट. डिस्कम्फर्ट होगा, चलता है. बी ओपन टू इट. उसके साथ दुखी नहीं हो.
Yeah. So, I often tell my clients के साथ 3 चीजें: hard work, minimalism, discipline. And this is exactly what you have distilled.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so with this we come to the end of the Shani Shukra period. Now I had asked people to give us questions around Shani Mahadasha, which we'll jointly answer.
Okay.
So I'll ask them one by one. Between the two of us, we can decide who wants to do which one. Okay? Let's start. Question 1. For Shani Mahadasha, one behavioral remedy, one daily lifestyle remedy, and one dharmic and karmic remedy.
ये तो अच्छा है.
बढ़िया.
बिहेवियरल रेमेडी तो अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, राइट? पेशेंस. You have to change your behavior, bring in a lot of patience. One daily lifestyle remedy भी आपने भी यही कहा था अभी, discipline. Big change, है ना? ये तो 100% है. धार्मिक रेमेडी, ये this I would like to say something about ये वाला. मेरा खुद का एक छोटा सा स्टोरी है. तो जब हम मिले थे सर, फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने जब बात करी थी, आई थिंक समवेयर अराउंड दैट टाइम ओनली. उसके पहले जैसे मुझे भी कहा गया था कि शनि भगवान को आप मस्टर्ड ऑयल तेल चढ़ाओ हर शनिवार जाके. तो मैं हर शनिवार जाके तेल चढ़ाना एकदम रेगुलर बेसिस पे. आई मेड इट अ पॉइंट के कम हेल और हाई वाटर मैं जाके शनि भगवान के तेल चढ़ाना ही चढ़ाना है। मतलब रात को 11:50 हो जाएगा अगर, तो मैं गाड़ी तेज भगा रहा हूँ, 12 बजे से पहले मुझे मंदिर पहुंचना है, मंदिर देर तक खुला है, मैं तेल चढ़ाऊंगा। There was one point when I was standing there in the temple, तेल के साथ, and I realized, what am I doing? This is my ego connected with the oil or the process of oil chadana, and it has nothing to do with Shani Bhagwan.
Yeah.
Matlab, that is the day I realized that I am making it about myself and not about Shani Bhagwan or learning something from Saturn. It is all about me being able to go there and tel chadane. So एक checkbox वाला आ गया था. That is the time, and today is the time I've stopped doing that. So
So
from a
I'll stop you here. I think I was the first one on the internet to oppose this.
yeah,
तो भैया ना चढ़ाओ तेल, ओके, तब तो आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ रीच थ्रू माय ब्लॉग honestastrologer.com. आज भी इट्स वन ऑफ द बेटर ब्लॉग्स ऑन द इंटरनेट, बट यूट्यूब चैनल बहुत ही छोटू सा था मेरा, मे बी आई हैड लाइक 800-900 फॉलोअर्स,
हाँ,
एंड आई हैड क्रिएटेड दिस वीडियो कि भाई आप बर्बादी कर रहे हो एंड यू आर सपोर्टिंग अ स्कैम.
हाँ,
ये प्रोसीजर शनि सिग्नापुर में होना चाहिए, वहां पे इट्स अ ट्रेडिशन, उसका पूरा सिस्टम भी है. आई वेंट देयर, आई डिड दैट.
correct.
किसी किसी तीर्थ स्थान के मंदिर में कभी कभी शनिदेव के मंदिर होते हैं, वहां पे दे अलाउ, देयर इज द एंटायर प्रोसीजर एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अराउंड इट. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस दे जस्ट हैव वन प्रतिमा और समथिंग, यू पोर दैट ऑयल और उसके बाद में अगले पीछे से निकाल लेते, वही पैक किया अगले सैटरडे,
हाँ,
जय
ये
शनिदेव.
ये होता
So
है.
you are promoting waste and you are promoting a scam which Shani doesn't like. So अगर आपको सैटरडे को तेल चढ़ा दान करना ही है, it is always better to donate to a temple which has a भंडारा or a गुरुद्वारा which has a लंगर. और कुछ नहीं, तला हुआ खाना you can distribute it, some कचौरी समोसा you can distribute it to हार्ड वर्किंग पुअर पीपल. और
Exactly.
उसमें भी बिफोर दोज बेगर्स यू शुड ट्राई डेली लेबरर्स, रिक्शा वाला,
Yes. Yes.
बिकॉज बेगर्स आर गवर्न्ड बाय शनि बट दे आर हिज नालायक बच्चेस.
बात है. सही
वो
बात.
पुअर है, हार्ड वर्किंग नहीं है. हार्ड वर्किंग पुअर इज द गाय शनि लाइक्स.
जो रिक्शा चला रहा है, जो रिक्शा खींच रहा है,
रिक्शा खींच रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर है, सिर पे बोझा डाल के ले जा रहा है, कचरा उठा रहा, those are the guys you need to give money to.
कल ही हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, राइट? स्विगी, जो स्विगी में डिलीवरी बॉयज हैं,
Yes.
राइट, हार्ड वर्किंग, सुबह से रात तक उनकी किस
Yeah.
लेवल ऑफ हार्ड वर्किंग होती है. उनको एक गिलास पानी पिलाना, वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस
Yeah.
समर. हम लोगों ने सोचा ही है इस समर वी विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग श्योर दैट एवरीबडी कम्स टू द डोर गेट्स अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर.
Yeah. Glass of water, maybe a pack of छाछ, maybe a 10 रुपए वाला fruity, whatever.
हाँ,
But this is a very good Shani remedy. What you do is you give money to somebody who does nothing, just sitting outside of temple, chilling out.
हाँ,
One, you are encouraging crime. Okay, just India में क्या, गरीब है तो उसको लाइसेंस है, you can't say anything about him.
करेक्ट.
The problem is if you look at the data of crimes, these guys have a considerable. So I never give to the beggars. So खाना दे सकते हो आप, but giving them money or things like that, it's a bad idea. अगर आपको कुछ करना ही है, you know, I find this funny. People would go outside. वो कोई तो beggar को 100 रुपए बांटेंगे and their maid, if she takes a छुट्टी, उसका पैसा काट लेंगे. Do you think Shani would be happy? भाई
चित्तर पाएगा, चित्तर.
न्याय का भी planet है. You are penalizing a person for working hard,
एग्जैक्टली.
and you are rewarding a person who's not at all working. और हमारे यहाँ पे जो गरीबी को ग्लोरीफाई किया हुआ, ये उसके आफ्टर शॉक्स हैं ये. So if you have to donate oil, a bhandara, a gurudwara, a vridashram is a very, very good place.
Vridashram, old people, yeah.
It's also very good place for Shani remedy. An orphanage is more of a Chandrama thing, but again it would work,
Correct.
right? Yeah.
Correct. So वो था
कार्मिक, या अब कार्मिक रेमेडी.
कार्मिक रेमेडी. सर एक चीज, I have also learned certain things during my Shani period. Uh, very again, I'll say it openly because somebody might say, "अरे बहुत आसान है बोलना बस खाली." Respect every human being, and this is such a basic thing, but it's very difficult for all of us to execute it 100% of the time. Respect every human being. That is a big karmic remedy. I have also learned, right? Many a times we judge, right? Shani is the devta of judge,
Yeah.
but we judge. We judge people. We judge people by their face. We judge people by their clothes. We judge people by their appearance. And many a times we don't know the story behind the person.
Right.
Right, so this is a big karmic remedy which I have learned myself. I'm trying to execute myself, right? Don't judge, respect every human being. Like you said, take care of the needy and the old. Very important. हमारे country में in our own surroundings we find a lot of old people need a lot of help, right? You hear a lot of stories where they are not being taken care of. सीधा karmic remedy. It's not about give and take. It's not about मैं कुछ करूंगा तो मुझे शनि भगवान कुछ देंगे. You have to internalize this.
Yeah. Now again, I will fine tune that respect wala thing, okay? Because again, people might take it, I have to be a doormat. No, you don't.
No,
You have to judge people by what they do, not by what they wear, not by their designation or their dress or their financial status, but by their action and their heart. So
correct.
do judge people, but judge on the right parameters.
Parameters. Perfect. बात सही है एकदम.
Yeah. Okay, next one. This is an interesting one, age-old discussion. As Shani is a karmic planet, does it mean Shani Dasha will have less free will and most past life karma playing out?
Interesting. So, prima facie, everybody would say Shani would have control and you will not have free will. But I personally feel Shani, in fact, gives you more free will. Again, just a personal opinion. I think it gives you more free will to do the right thing.
Yeah.
It gives you more opportunities to do the right thing. It brings hardships in front of you and sees how do you handle those hardships. It will observe you, right? How do you learn from them? How do you react? All of this is actually your free will playing out. So Shani, planet of karma, it will definitely bring back your past life karmas, which we spoke about, to you, but then it will give you the free will to act upon them. And that is where, the make or break happens, or the direction of the next stage of life happens. So from a free will perspective, I personally feel that it gives you a lot more free will than any other planet.
I tend to agree. Your free will at its minimum in a Ketu period. Ketu का free will
रोलर कोस्टर.
वो जो उखड़ता उखाड़ लो करके दिखा
पढ़ने दो
करके दिखा दियो मेरे को जो होता. Shani is a different planet.
Yeah.
Shani will bring a boatload of pending karma,
Yes.
put you in the middle of it,
Yes.
give you a छोटा सा हथौड़ी, start. So हथौड़ी जितना free will है, you can do it, but is it going to be easy? Hell no.
That's the nature.
Yeah. So I always say you can go through Shani, you can't go around Shani. So you will have to bloody hammer your way out of it. तो hammer करने का free will देगा वो. Many a times you will face failures. Everything would be terrible. 2-3 attempt लगते हैं कुछ भी significant होने में. But once you are done with it, the rewards are worth.
Exactly.
और एक मैंने शनि की खासियत देखी, अगर आप वाकई में दिल से काम कर रहे हो, लॉजिकल काम कर रहे हो, ये नहीं कि साहब मैं हूँ 3rd डिविजनल यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, टैलेंट मिसमैच है वो.
हाँ, वो सारे जुपिटर हो जाती हैं वो सारी हरकत।
Yeah.
जुपिटर में 5 करियर चला रहे होते हो आप।
हाँ. So when you are doing the right thing in the right direction, वो थोड़ा सा आपको whenever needed थोड़ा सा motivation दे देगा. You know, एक थोड़ा वो encouraging lecture types, but no concrete stuff. So this is what I've seen. It has a lot of predestined things around it, but
Yes,
it gives you enough free will to work your way through it.
exactly. And
So
it
it's
matters. जो it gives you what matters. वेला फ्री विल नहीं है
yeah.
कि जाओ जाके कुछ भी करो।
हाँ, बल्ले बल्ले वाला नहीं है, not
हाँ,
the Jupiter
वो
thing.
नहीं है। हाँ.
Yeah. Okay. Next question: how to behave in Shani Dasha so that we do not make bad karma?
आई थिंक ये तो हमने काफी कवर किया ही है कि भाई एक्सपेक्टेशन मिसमैच के साथ हैंडल करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? नाउ व्हेन डू यू मेक बैड कर्मा, लाइक वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्लियर, राइट? अगेन इसको अगर हम लोग बैड कर्मा की तरफ या गुड कर्मा की तरफ देखें तो थोड़ा डिफरेंट होगा, बट आई थिंक ओवरऑल शनि महादशा में देयर शुड बी अ कंसिस्टेंट टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर विच इज अलाइंड टुवर्ड शनि, right? Shani is not worried about your good karma or bad karma. Shani is trying to teach you a lesson. It is trying to take you through a process, a journey, and during that, it will bring you the karma which you have to burn. You'll burn it in a way that it takes you in the right direction.
And
So-
I've seen one pitfall of Shani is selfishness. Because people often become वो शनि का negative side भी तो है ना यार, you have to talk about it.
हाँ,
So it's selfishness, pettiness. So
हाँ.
Shani period में ना people try to portray a goody image, but
हाँ.
they try to do those selfish acts when nobody is watching.
हाँ.
That is a big pitfall. That selfishness, that insecurity, if you can avoid that using justice and righteousness,
हाँ.
I think that's the best way to avoid bad karma, especially in Shani period.
So basically, the good sides of Shani and the pitfalls of Shani.
Yeah.
If you are able to align yourselves to the good side of Shani, bad karma can be avoided.
Okay, this one is my personal favorite. Okay,
Huh.
how Shani Mahadasha differs for a person when it falls in youth versus childhood versus old age. Which one is better?
So some parts तो you covered
Yeah.
earlier
हाँ.
कि youth में क्या है. So although what you said is absolutely right, correct? 36 के बाद 42 के बाद, that is the time when you're able to handle Shani better. You're able to do things. I have one good feeling about having Shani now in this period. But on the other side, on the flip side, I also have another viewpoint on it. One first viewpoint was that ठीक है, पिटाई हो रही है इस समय, you know, I'm 48, 49, पिटाई हो रही है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. But by the time I complete it, I will be 60. I'll be ready to start my second innings probably in some shape or form the other. I would have learned my lessons which I have to go through my Shani Mahadasha. Hopefully, I'll be primed well for the next phase of my life. उतनी धुनाई हो चुकी होगी, learnings आ चुकी होगी. You'll be able to navigate better and plan the next Mercury time a little more better. So that way, I would say yes, this period after 36, after 40 has been great. But एक दूसरा side मैंने ये भी देखा है सर कि this is the time when you have EMIs. This is the time when you have responsibilities. This is the time you have children probably getting into the college, you know, higher classes or the college age,
Yeah.
right? जो यहाँ पे इस समय जो पिटाई नहीं सहन कर पाया, जो अस्ट्रे निकल गया इसमें से, it's a very critical time to actually lose that focus.
Yeah.
So somewhere thoda the downside of having Shani during this time, during the midlife crisis point, is also that you are handling bigger responsibilities of life. And that is not the time to get a tough question paper, right? Although, as I said, this is the only right time to get the tough question paper क्योंकि आपके पास maturity है वो handle करने की.
Yeah.
But still मुझे कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार इतनी बड़ी responsibility संभाल रहे हैं, the family is dependent on you, everything else is working around you, and then now you get a tough question paper. बाद में आ जाता, पहले आ जाता, अभी का टाइम सही निकाल देता. But again, there is no good time when you would luckily gladly say कि हाँ अब आने दो, अब मेरे को टफ टाइम आने दो, मैं हैंडल करूंगा. So yes, maturity के बाद is the right time, but you have to somewhere plan it in a way that your crucial years and your crucial responsibilities of life which fall during this period, they are properly taken care of.
पता I had a youth with this शनि महादशा and I'm so thankful कि बचपन में बीत गया.
हाँ.
But having said that, your childhood needs to have some good memories. I had a rotten childhood.
अच्छा.
You know? So, because my heart goes out to 2-3 people, okay? People who get Shani in their early ages, Ketu in their middle ages, and Rahu in their old age. क्योंकि देखो इनके अच्छा आने का तो कोई टाइम होता ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
Right.
हाँ, सही बात है. कौन
Whenever
मांगेगा?
they come, but सबसे ज्यादा prepared you are ready to handle Ketu in your old age or your childhood. Ketu in middle age is a disaster. I have lived through it.
चाइल्डहुड तो बेस्ट है, निकल गया.
हाँ नहीं, ओल्ड एज केतु बेस्ट है.
ओल्ड एज तो आपके लिए तो और भी अच्छा हो गया. आप इवेंचुअल डेस्टिनेशन पे वैसे ही पहुंच चुके हो.
या सो उस फेज में जब आप होते हो यू डोंट केयर अबाउट द वर्ल्ड.
हाँ.
एंड दैट इज यू नो एट टाइम्स आई टॉक टू द एल्डर्स हु आर इन देयर केतु, दे आर चिल्ड आउट. हाँ, इफ दे आर वेरी अटैच्ड और समथिंग, वो कोई बच्चा चला गया, दैट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. बट दे आर सो चिल्ड आउट कि साहब मैं तो 6 घंटा पूजा करता हूँ और मैं सत्संग में जाता हूँ और मैं मंदिर जाता हूँ. दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. अ चाइल्ड विद अ केतु दे सफर हेल्थ वगैरह, एक आध कोई पेपर में फेल हो जाए,
पता नहीं चलता. मतलब हेल्थ इश्यूज में पेरेंट्स आ जाते हैं, उसको पता नहीं चलता.
केतु मिडिल एजेस में तो धुआं उड़ा देता. ओके, जॉब लॉस, डिवोर्सेस, दिस दैट ब्ला ब्ला. राहु यूथ में इज वेरी डेंजरस.
आई हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट.
बुढ़ापे में इज वेरी डेंजरस.
हाँ.
Because suddenly you have this ambition and you have no energy, your body is not helping. So Rahu in middle ages is good.
What about, जैसे मेरे केस में I got Rahu after my 10th, around my 10th grade, मतलब वो पढ़ाई वाली एज. That is something I saw. Something changed in 9th grade in me. जब राहु आया, right? तब तक मैं अपना नॉर्मल मॉडल स्कूल के संजय लाल शर्मा 50-60% ला रहे हैं वैसे. बट समथिंग चेंज्ड व्हेन राहु केम. वो एक सनक चढ़ गई, राइट? सर, आई स्टॉप्ड ऑल द वे टिल मास्टर्स. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि आई विल गो एंड थिंक ऑफ मास्टर्स एंड ये सब. मैंने 10th किया, डिप्लोमा किया, डिग्री किया, मास्टर्स किया, ऑल द वे माय एजुकेशन वेंट टिल देयर. सो आई फील समवेयर दिस, इफ यू गेट द राइट ब्लेसिंग्स, Rahu in your education age definitely will.
मैंने teenage में it's very difficult. You had a good father who handled you well. Otherwise, Rahu teenagers, I have seen them throw the kind of tantrums. Rahu people can't take the word no.
I have a teenager at home.
उसका राहु थोड़ी आ रहा. जय माता दे. So one, इनको सबको फॉरेन पढ़ने जाना होता. Okay. To Rahu, especially if it's a youth, they want to quantify everything.
हाँ.
अच्छा, मेरे पास में कितना करोड़ आ जाएगा, है ना? मैं 500 गज का घर बनाऊंगा या 350 गज में रह जाऊंगा.
हाँ.
मेरे पास में गाड़ियां कौन कौन सी होंगी, उनका मॉडल कौन कौन सा. मैंने कहा नंबर प्लेट भी बताओ. So you have this madness of youth with the madness of Rahu. It's
That's
disaster, delusional boys and girls, because they want to compare and quantify everything. मेरे साथ वाले इतना आगे, वो उनका फोटा निकला ही रहता, हर एक चीज नापते तोलते रहते हो.
हाँ.
And they keep comparing yourself with everybody through Instagram, LinkedIn, social media ने आग लगा दी. So
actually वही सबसे बड़ा पंगा.
Rahu is a pain early, but later in your life, especially middle age, is something between, let's say, a 25 and 40 के बीच में आता है. It's a good thing. You'll work like a man possessed.
अच्छा.
तो वो पैशन आदमी में आ जाता है। हाँ, अब ये डिपेंड करता है राहु कहाँ बैठा है ना,
हाँ, वो सारे तो एस्पेक्ट्स हो गए।
वो सारा है।
मेरे केस में आई थिंक अच्छा ये रहा, लाइक यू सेड, मे बी माय फादर वाज देयर एंड एजुकेशन में मुझे ठीक ठाक डायरेक्शन मिल गई, क्योंकि राहु का एक देखा है, राहु को एक सनक चाहिए जीवन में। वो एक सनक अगर उसको मिल गई, राइट, फिर वो उसके पीछे ही दौड़ेगा।
नहीं, राहु थ्राइव्स ऑन पैशन।
पैशन, वो उस समय एक जो पैशन इग्नाइट हो गया, तो वो इट ऑल द वे स्टॉप टिल मास्टर्स।
या
बट हाँ, उसके अलावा और भी बड़े सारे पैशन इग्नाइट हो गए थे। उसकी वजह से बट्टा बैठ गया, डिफरेंट स्टोरी।
या शनि, what I have seen is one, that trauma, देखो, there is no such thing like a youth trauma, it's always a childhood trauma. Okay?
यस,
And in Shani period, as a young child, you are trying to make sense of the world. पंजाबी में एक अपने कहावत है ना, जो जम्मे सो बोदियों लम्मे। Yeah. So the Punjabis can write the translation in comment
Yeah.
section. So ever since I was born in Shani Mahadasha, God damn it. Yeah. So I realized why Buddha said life is suffering.
पैदाइशी प्रॉड, पैदाइशी प्रॉड है।
मतलब इवन इफ वी आर गोइंग टू अ पार्टी तो मेरे टाइम तक केक खत्म हो जाएगा। Yeah. Shani does that, you know, restriction, minimalism. And I never got pocket money in my bloody life. Never. Okay. उसके बाद में these guys are old people in young people's body.
यस,
Okay. So you
पैदाइशी
become very grumpy, very introvert, very underconfident. आज की डेट में people talk to me, यार, you तो roar like anything, blah blah blah. I'm like, I was a mouse in my Shani Dasha.
हाँ,
I got bullied for being the fat kid. I
हाँ,
got hammered. And Shani, especially if you are a youth, if you are a child, Shani typically has a habit of putting you in the wrong place at the wrong time and giving you troubled parents. Ninth house Shani, पिता ही डॉक्टर बनाने चल दिया, मेरी शक्ल का डॉक्टर। Imagine you are on operation table और मेरी शक्ल का आदमी चाकू लेकर सिराने खड़ा हुआ। You don't need anesthesia, right? वैसे ही बेहोश हो जा। तो और शनि people are usually Shravan Kumar 2.0. They usually have an authority figure which bloody pushes them very hard. When you are mature, you can push back. A child can't push back.
करेक्ट।
No dictatorship ever had so much control on its citizen that a normal parent has over the child. आप क्या खाओगे, क्या पहनोगे, उससे लेकर के। So when my Shani Dasha ended, I realized my biggest realization was parents can be wrong.
हाँ,
And when my Mercury started, I said, आप लोग किनारे बैठो, पॉपकॉर्न देख के तमाशा देखो, बेइज्जती नहीं होने दूंगा, but let me play my games यार। Commerce was a breeze. मकर लग्न को क्या बोलता कॉमर्स,
हाँ,
right? So I was just hammering my way out of things. कुछ सही गया, कुछ गलत गया, but बुद्ध ने हारने नहीं दिया मुझे। बुद्ध is the planet of victory. So I am thankful I got it at the right age. Another 5-7 years, I would have been ruined.
काम उल्टा हो जाता था।
हाँ, तो मैं 3rd डिवीजन BSc पास होता कि दवाइयाँ बेच रहा होता, right? So शनि in the youth is most painful. उसके बाद में if you have it in your 20s, तो heartbreaks are very very common. ये थोड़े नर्डी बच्चे होते हैं, especially for men, तो it's horrible. Shani goes easy on women, Rahu goes easy on men. Yeah. So I have seen terrible heartbreaks. I have seen boys with zero confidence, the spines being crushed by teachers and parents and girlfriends, whatever. So youth में Shani is very difficult.
वेरी डेंजरस।
Middle ages में people, you have a mature mind and you have a functioning body. Old age में it is again Kaleshi because now you are a grumpy Buddha.
करेक्ट, नाउ यू आर बोथ, यू आर अ ग्रम्पी बुड्ढा एंड यू आर शनि।
Yeah, and now what you want to do is now you want to launch a dictatorship. कि अब सारे सवेरे 5 बजे उठ के मेरे साथ प्राणायाम करो, और नहीं करते अगले। So at old age you start to face that resistance and you become very unhappy in general. वो कुड़ करते हुए कुछ बुजुर्ग होते हैं ना, often they are going through, so वो typical grumpy बुड्ढा बन जाता है आदमी।
करेक्ट।
So Shani in middle age is best in.
हाँ, मिडिल एज बेस्ट है, बट वो मैंने भी वही एक्सपीरियंस किया कि
Yeah.
मिडिल एज ही बेस्ट है।
Yeah,
But there is never a right time to get a tough question
true
paper, but
that.
हाँ, बट मिडिल एज बेस्ट है। बट कभी कभी जब टफ टाइम्स आते हैं, जब टेस्ट आता है अभी, तो एक कभी कभी डर लगता है कि यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट अ जंक्चर वेयर योर चाइल्ड इज नाउ डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू, योर फैमिली इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू, यू हैव टू टेक द राइट स्टेप्स। तो लगता है कि हाँ यार, थोड़ा इजी पेपर होता तो कितना अच्छा लगता।
Yeah, let me just simplify this to you. This is an age where you have wisdom, authority, and health, right? When you are young, you don't have wisdom, you don't have authority.
Correct.
When you are old, you don't have health, you don't have authority.
अथॉरिटी नहीं है।
Yeah. Okay, next one. Which Shani placements give better Shani Mahadasha? Your view.
Okay. So, see, the term better Shani Mahadasha might be an oversimplification of Saturn. मेरे हिसाब से Shani is all about depth. It is all about boundaries. Wherever it sits, it brings the flavors to it. Whichever house it owns, it brings that influence into that house. So ये influence and flavors जो हैं, ये उनकी महादशा में सबसे ज्यादा pronounced होंगे. But yes, having said that, I feel some houses have a natural affinity to be a little better.
Yeah.
जैसे कि own signs, Capricorn, Aquarius.
No, यहाँ पे I would differ.
हाँ,
I would any given day pick an 11th house नीच का शनि, then a 4th house उच्च का शनि.
11th house नीच का शनि, देना 4th house तो नहीं.
4th और 4th, 1st, 8th तो बेड़ा ही गर्क है.
हाँ, और 7th भी थोड़ा, 7th भी.
7th भी अच्छा नहीं मानता मैं.
हाँ,
You know, people have this कि साहब वो तुला में तो उच्च का हो जाता है. ओ भाई वो जज बन जाता है. All you do is you judge your spouse and your spouse judges you.
हाँ, 7th नहीं, 4th नहीं. मैंने एक चीज देखी है, लेकिन 3, 6, 10, 11
Yeah.
उपाच्य घर, यहाँ पे 3rd is hard work, 6 is again perseverance and day to day routine, 10 is of course karma,
Yeah.
right? And 11 is always better with
Yeah.
time.
11वां is बल्ले बल्ले.
बल्ले. So 3, 6, 10, 11.
You know, I have seen Shani give beautiful life in the 11th house.
हाँ.
Baki everywhere I've seen a person struggle. 11th house I have seen balle balle results.
बल्ले.
Okay.
So 3, 6, 10, 11 sure. 4 तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
ना 4, 1, 8 तो मेरी तौबा. 10th में भी क्या होता है ना विशाल, आई हैव सीन कि शनि विल रेज योर करियर लाइक अ रॉकेट.
हाँ.
बट वो 4th हाउस की बलि लेगा, वो 7th हाउस की बलि लेगा. So you will have these titans
at the expense of.
Yeah. So you will have these titans who have no family. For example, Swami Vivekanand.
हाँ.
Yeah. Swami Chinmayanand. And जो latest है उसमें the Chief Minister of UP. He again is a sannyasi. Right? Yogi ji. 10th house Shani. So no family, no wife. Karma वो is sitting at a very very powerful place. So वहां तक पहुंचाता है, but it takes his on
Takes away. That's right.
है ना. छठे का शनि, it's a good bag by and large. I've seen a lot of doctors with a 6th house shani.
Yes.
So a lot of doctors. I would say 40% of them have a 6th house shani. But usually these are health nuts. They do well. So I like a 6th house shani.
6,000.
Yeah. 3rd house shani is for some reason rare. जल्दी मिलता नहीं है. And उसमें मैंने देखा है डैडी इश्यूज होता है. और बच्चों में भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो उसका भी देयर इज अ प्राइस टू पे.
प्राइस टू पे. देखो वो तो है ही, लेकिन ये है कि दीज आर स्लाइटली नेचुरली अलाइंड टुवर्ड्स व्हाट शनि इज ट्राइंग टू डू फॉर. जहां देखेगा वहां थोड़ा बहुत तो इम्पैक्ट करेगी. बट 3, 6, 10, 11 डेफिनेटली गुड.
And I have seen Shani do better because Shani Mahadasha में कुंभ और मकर का आपके खाने एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं. So there is another question. Next one, if we have Shash Yoga, does it make Shani Mahadasha better? You want to take it? Should I take it?
Shash Yoga, see, Shash Yoga is basically Shani in 1, 4, 7, 10 in its own or exalted or मूल त्रिकोण. But मेरा इसके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि 4 और 7 में शनि इज टफ.
Yeah.
सो शश योगा होने से जरूरी नहीं है कि 4th हाउस शनि होने से महादशा अच्छी होगी. इनफैक्ट 4th हाउस शनि, one of the things which I really get scared with when I look in a chart is 4th house शनि.
क्या?
Right?
बहुत और शनि तो भगवान दुश्मन को ना दे भाई.
हाँ, तो वो तो शश योगा उस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाएगा तो 4th and 7th is not good. 10th and 11th absolutely.
5 और 9 में भी मानते हैं. 5 और 9 में भी मानते हैं. बट इवन आई डोंट लाइक 1, 4, 7 का शनि. तो राशि अच्छी है तो ये है कि भाई अगर 100 का डैमेज होना होगा तो मे बी 85. दैट्स इट. रिमेंबर गाइस, हाउस ओवर साइंस.
Yes.
Like I said, give me a Nichka Shani in 11th house, don't give me an Uchka Shani in the 4th house. So I rest my case. I think the so-called yogas have been glorified and mythified beyond a point. Not every yoga is a good yoga. वो बस उसमें कोड है कि बड़ा पावरफुल है. वो पावर लेकर कर क्या रहा है वो? That is what you need to worry about. Okay. This is interesting one. Shani Mahadasha and Rahu Antardasha and Shani Mahadasha Guru Antardasha, इसके effects.
Interesting. ये आप लीजिए क्योंकि ये तो मेरा भी आना है. I also have to start preparing for it.
Yeah. So Shani Rahu is a very, very difficult period. Okay. देखो, whenever double malefics run, it's not a picnic. You are just through with Shani Ketu, and Shani Ketu is significantly better than a Shani Rahu. एक तो छोटा होता है, 1 साल का होता है.
हाँ.
Yeah. दूसरे शनि राहु आर वेरी अपोजिंग एनर्जी. शनि केतु फिर भी दे आर सिमिलर इन अ वे कि दोनों सन्यासी प्लैनेट है. दैट इज व्हाई यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ डिवोर्सेस हैपन इन अ शनि केतु पीरियड. लॉट ऑफ पीपल टेक संन्यास, लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे चेंज देयर जॉब्स व्हाटएवर. शनि राहु इज, राहु से मुझे सब चाहिए और अभी चाहिए. दूसरे का काम 10 दिन में होता होगा, मेरा 2 दिन में होना. शनिदेव प्यार से मुस्कुराते हुए कहते कि ताली बजाओ, तुम्हारा होगा 50 दिन में. राइट. एंड देखो, nobody can win over शनि. मंगल can give him a fight, but even he can't win. So राहु तो he tries to keep शनि in good humor. I had used an example. वो अब तक 56 देखी है.
हाँ हाँ.
तो नाना पाटेकर एंड दैट विलन जमीर. So Sadhu Agashi is a very, very Shani character. He is the distilled Shani character. All good, bad, ugly of Shani. And that Zamir fellow was distilled Rahu. So Nana Patekar उसमें वो ढीली सी शर्ट पहन करके और very simple looking guy, कोई फूफा नहीं. But this man can kill. वो ऐसे बंदूक ने ठाठा मारता without any expression. That Zamir fellow, वो ये फ्लैशी शर्ट्स और ये मोटी चेन और इतने गैंगस्टर ये वो. But the moment he meets Sadhu, he starts simping over him and trying to keep him in good humor. उसमें एक सीन होता है when these two meet first time face to face. तो ये वहां पे अपने गैंग में घिरा होता है और इसके लोग बंदूक लेके खड़े होते हैं. जमीर is sitting there like a king. ये सीधे एंटर करता and he suddenly becomes very uneasy and he shrinks. और ये जाता उसके साथ वाले पे यूं जाके बैठ जाता है और फिर गाली देता है, क्या रे टैट. तो इट वाज अ वेरी लवली सीन. उसके बाद क्लाइमेक्स में इन दोनों में बात होती है तो ये ज्ञान दे रहा होता साधु अगाशे को. इट इज लाइक राहु लेक्चरिंग शनि. कहता आज ये सब है मेरे पास में. कहता ये क्या है ये. कहता पावर. कहता ये पावर नहीं बोलते, इसको न्यूसेंस वैल्यू बोलते हैं. Shani has power, Rahu has Newton's value.
हाँ.
I have seen this in so many charts. Okay.
हाँ.
So उसमें जब यूं करा ये नाना बेटे क्या है ये क्या
ये क्या है?
so वहां पे you can see him doing a lot of बेइज्जती
हाँ.
and then he says मैं फोर्स का आदमी हूँ,
हाँ.
अकेला हूँ, बगैर हथियार के हूँ, तेरे यहाँ पे इतने बंदे तू फिर भी डरा हुआ है, और मैं अकेला हूं, नहीं हत्था हूं, मैं नहीं डर रहा. इसको पावर बोलते. सो दिस इज शनि एंड राहु. सो राहु शनि को कभी ओवर पावर नहीं कर सकता, वो गुरु मानता है, शनि को उस्ताद मानता. राहु का रोल मॉडल सन है, बट उसका उस्ताद शनि है, तो शनि को देख के यस बॉस वाली मोड में आ जाता वो. So Rahu can never overpower Shani. So and Shani, Rahu is the planet of बड़के.
हाँ.
मेरा पंजाबी नो वो बड़ा बड़ा.
Wannabe. हाँ.
ओए,
Wannabe.
मैं ये कर दियांगा वो, मैं वो कर दियांगा वो. राहु दशा वालों से बात करो, आप सुन लो 1000 करोड़ की प्लानिंग.
हाँ.
Shani is full of reality. So that Rahu desperation to get everything that you want, and Shani's restriction in reality to not letting you get it, that crushes a person. Okay? So आपको मिलना चाहिए लेट्स से 1 लाख, आपकी एस्पिरेशन बाय डिफॉल्ट 10 लाख की होगी. राहु डज दैट. शनि कुछ उसमें कांड करेगा, आपके हाथ में 70,000 आएगा.
हाँ.
So I often tell them कि this is the traffic jam of life. आगे जा नहीं पा रहे, पीछे जाना नहीं चाहते, तो भैया इसमें सर झुका के कीप वर्किंग. हैव अ टू डू लिस्ट, हैव अ ग्रेटिट्यूड लिस्ट, कीप वर्किंग कीप वर्किंग कीप वर्किंग. और 2 महीना आएगा जब शनि में राहु में केतु चलेगा, एवरीथिंग दैट कैन गो रॉन्ग विल गो रॉन्ग विद यू. इससे निकल आए तो शुक्र मनाओ, बट डू नॉट सेलिब्रेट टू अर्ली, क्योंकि फिर आता है शनि गुरु. ओके. एंड माय फादर यूज्ड टू से कि भाई इसके परिणाम भगवान जानता है, एस्ट्रोलॉजर नहीं जानता.
अच्छा.
बिकॉज शनि गुरु पीरियड इज लाइक एन इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया मैच, हर ओवर में गेम यहाँ हो जाता. ओके. सो आई कॉल दिस द सीसॉ पीरियड. शनि जुपिटर इज मोर डेंजरस देन शनि राहु. Until unless you have a very very well placed Jupiter, which most people do not have. Shani Jupiter में at least Shani Rahu, you know you are screwed.
हाँ.
Shani Jupiter, you don't know what would screw you. वो कहां से उड़ता तीर आके आपकी गर्दन में लगेगा, you don't know.
हाँ.
आज आप जिस चीज को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो, 6 महीने बाद सिर पकड़ के रोते हो. दैट्स द थीम. और आज जिस चीज को सिर पकड़ के रो रहे, 6 महीने बाद आप भगड़े डाल रहे हो, यार ये तो बहुत बढ़िया काम हुआ.
हाँ.
I consider it more dangerous than Shani Rahu. Shani Rahu, at least you know what's going on.
Very
Shani Jupiter is a push and pull between a very negative energy and a positive energy. And negative, आप उसको कह लो, but between two opposing forces. One is Pollyanna, one is very dark reality.
हाँ.
So मेरे केस में शनि गुरु started and I got admission in my 11th medical. तो वो शुरू में साइंस वाला बच्चा है तो मूछे ऊंची कर ली, पर जी मैं मेडिकल का बच्चा हूँ, साइंस पढ़ के देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे, डॉक्टर बनेंगे, माता पिता के सपने साकार करेंगे. जब भी फिजिक्स की डेरिवेशन करी ना बैठ करके 3 महीना, पता लगा ये सपने नहीं साकार बने. 6 months down the line I was like बॉस फंस गए अब तो.
हाँ.
तो जो बहुत बल्ले बल्ले थी साइंस में एडमिशन लिया,
6 महीने बाद.
6 महीने बाद रोना.
हाँ.
उसके बाद I flunked in class 12 physics and I went into depression. And that is when I started questioning my reality कि यार, so I studied very hard for my supplementary exam and I suffered through the Dasha Sandhi. Okay. Now the magic of Dasha Sandhi. मैं एग्जाम देने गया तो पता लगा मैंने रीचेक भरा था, उसमें मैं पास हो गया था.
दशा संधि.
दशा संधि. इस चक्कर में साइंस से मेरा पिंड छूट गया.
हाँ.
And by that time I realized कि यार हर बार पेरेंट्स ठीक नहीं होते and one should stick to what comes to him naturally. And as an astrologer I'm a big proponent of this. और मैंने आज तक कभी कोई नॉन साइंस वाला बच्चा डिप्रेशन में नहीं देखा. आई कॉल देम द साइंस ऑर्फन्स, जिनके कनपटी में बंदूकें लगा लगा के ना माता पिता के सपने साकार करने बिठाया जाता. कोटा में क्या होता वी ऑल नो. एंड आई एक्चुअली एट टाइम्स हैव टू बैटल इट आउट विद द पेरेंट कि भैया ये जिद छोड़ दो आप साइंस के. आजकल नया ट्रेंड आ गया, बच्चे ईगो में साइंस ले रहे हैं. फिर वो डेरिवेशन लग पता जाएगा आपको. सो थिंग्स कम नेचुरली टू यू. डॉक्टर्स पैदा होते हैं, इंजीनियर्स पैदा होते हैं, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स पैदा होते हैं, बिजनेसमैन पैदा होते हैं. आप बना नहीं सकते किसी. सो ये सारा साइकिल इट टुक दोस 2-3 years, you know, and it usually ends in a crash. शनि जुपिटर ends in a crash. शनि हमेशा क्रैश लैंडिंग करेगा आपकी, और दशा संधि में बहुत पिटाई होती है शनि की. देन यू कम आउट एज अ मरकरी सुपरमैन. क्योंकि वो शनि मार मार के रीढ़ में इतना लोहा भर देता है, और मरकरी आते आपके दिमाग अनलॉक हो जाता. बुद्ध बुद्धि का कारक. सो आई विल मेक एन एंटायर वीडियो अराउंड दिस. बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं, बट शनि महादशा में खाई मारना आपको पीट पीट के लोहा बना देते हैं. और जब उसके ऊपर बुद्ध की बुद्धि रखी होती है तो बल्ले बल्ले होती है. दैट इज व्हाई मोस्ट पीपल हु अंडरगो देयर शनि महादशा डू वेरी वेरी वेल आफ्टर दैट. So that's how शनि जुपिटर happens. तो मैं ये कहता हूं भाई, keep your movements to a minimum. Keep big changes to a minimum. आज आप क्या सोच के बल्ले बल्ले करने जा रहे हो, उसके क्या नतीजे होंगे, nobody knows. Be extremely careful.
Perfect. Then I think this is very important because this particular thing which you spoke about, right, Shani Jupiter के बारे में, not a lot of time it gets discussed. The moment Jupiter comes, people start putting the rosy goggles on कि हाँ सब बढ़िया जाएगा. But I think this is very important जो आपने बताया in terms of Sunny Jupiter, Saturn Jupiter combination, and जब ये period आएगा तब क्या करना.
Every other planet you will have a more or less happy Jupiter period, even in Ketu.
हाँ.
Shani Jupiter scares me more than Shani Ram. एटलीस्ट आपको पता तो है भाई ट्रैफिक जैम में हो. शनि जुपिटर है फुल ऑन टापो टाप चल रही है गड्डी, अब कहां जाके भिड़नी है नोबडी नो, सामने कौन सा ट्रक आ जाए. तो मैं कहता हूं भैया धीमी स्पीड, तेज गति जीवन की क्षति. वही है ना, रोड खाली है, यू आर गोइंग बट यू डोंट नो सामने से क्या आ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई इट स्केयर्स मी. वेरी फ्यू पीपल आई हैव सीन गेट आउट ऑफ दिस पीरियड अनस्केयर्ड. मैं बोलता हूँ भैया ना जॉब चेंज करो, ना शहर चेंज करो, ना शादी में पंगे लो, जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो. स्टेटस को इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इन दिस पीरियड. वो कभी थोड़ा नेगेटिव होगा, कभी थोड़ा पॉजिटिव होता है. डू नॉट मेक बिग डिसीजंस. डू नॉट मेक बिग डिसीजंस. आई मीन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपेंड व्हिच आई कैन नॉट टेल अबाउट दैट पीरियड ऑन अ कैमरा. तो चलो पढ़ाई वाला पार्ट था, बट द पर्सनल लाइफ वॉज अ डिजास्टर. फैमिली में बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी. So with this, okay, this one I want you to answer. I am in the end of Shani Mahadasha. Do the people in this Mahadasha not exist in our life in next Mahadasha, as karmic accounts will be settled?
ये तो बहुत this is a big one, right? This is like this is the question itself is very beautiful. Karmic accounts. So I think every Mahadasha, first of all, has that. So this has happened to me in the past. I'm sure it has happened to you also. It will not happen for all relationships.
Yeah.
Right? But specific relationships, you will see when a Mahadasha changes, the karmic activity with that person in that role, whatever he or she is in their life, that goes away, that finishes off, and then they are phased out of life. Not necessarily do not exist. Do not exist might be a little stronger, but you will definitely see a phasing out of life. So for me, this happened a lot during my Jupiter Mahadasha, from Rahu to Jupiter, when the change happened. I saw a very stark experience where a karmic relationship abruptly ended up. So it was very strong karmically, but At one point of time, it just ended in a way I couldn't imagine. And I observed that it was my Jupiter Mahadasha which came in and phased me out of that. In Saturn, I saw similar things on the work front. So Saturn is the planet of karma. When we spoke last time, we were talking a lot about job, career, work. So I saw a lot of things happening on the work front, where certain set of people phased out, certain set of responsibilities phased out, and now new set of people came in. So definitely that happened. Similarly, if I take that same logic and I try to apply it on Saturn, whenever Saturn ends, I think every dasha, Mahadasha has to prepare you for the next one,
Yeah.
right? Saturn is layered, it is complex, it is full of depth. When it takes you to Mercury, at some point of time, it has to break all those barriers and break all those complexities in you and simplify you for the next Mahadasha. And simplification can mean many things, right? Simplification means some relationships go away, some people phase out, some new people come in. So I'm sure that same thing, same pattern, anybody who is in the end of Shani Mahadasha also would face. But this time around, I'm thinking and I'm hoping, because I myself have to go there, right? So I'm looking forward to that time. I'm hoping that Shani makes you lightweight for your journey.
No.
करेक्ट, आपकी जर्नी चल रही है, अब शनि वो आपके बोझा उठा के आपको अगले महादशा के लिए लाइट वेट करेगा. दैट लाइट वेट कैन मीन मेनी थिंग्स, सिंप्लीफिकेशन कैन मीन मेनी थिंग्स. आप बताइए आपको क्या लगता है?
मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, यू ऑफन एंड अप पेइंग योर डेट टू द हाउस ऑफ शनि इन अ वेरी बिग वे. ओके, एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ शनि यू गेट लिबरेटेड by the house of Shani.
Yes.
So, for example, I have a 9th house Shani. My father was God. Okay. By the end of Shani, I realized he is human. You still will always be concerned about the house of Shani. And after the age of 36, you start to look at the house of Shani with some rationality. Shani Mahadasha जब भी खत्म होती है, a lot of that karmic debt gets over. पर्टिकुलरली अगर उस हाउस लॉर्ड का कनेक्शन नहीं है अगली दशा से, तो देयर कैन बी अ डिस्टेंस एज वेल. दूसरी चीज, यू बिकम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन. देखो, हर महादशा, दशा कैन बी लूजली ट्रांसलेटेड टू द वर्ड कंडीशन. चेंज इन दशा माने चेंज इन कंडीशन. चेंज इन महादशा एब्सोल्यूट ग्रास रूट लेवल चेंज इन कंडीशन.
एवरीथिंग चेंजेस.
राइट. आई लिव्ड माय लाइफ इन मरकरी. शनि तो आई नेवर लिव्ड. वो रिश्ते जो शनि में बहुत डोमिनेंट होते हैं, वो अगर आपका कर्मा खत्म हो गया, वो डिसॉल्व हो जाएंगे, वो दूर हो जाएंगे. यू विल ऑलवेज मूव टू अ न्यू फ्रेम ऑफ थिंग्स, न्यू सेट ऑफ थिंग्स. अक्सर आई हैव सीन विद महादशा चेंज, पीपल चेंज देयर एड्रेस, दे ऑफन चेंज देयर जॉब्स, दे चेंज देयर स्कूल्स. सो वो जो शनि रूल्ड रिश्ते होते हैं, वो सारे पीछे रह जाते हैं. अनदर थिंग, ये क्वेश्चन सबसे ज्यादा लोग केतु के बारे में पूछते हैं. So, केतु
डर है ना, वहाँ लोगों को डर है.
हाँ, so केतु का कांटा नहीं जुड़ता. केतु में if you have lost a relationship, that is not coming back. शनि में if you have lost relationship, it might transform and come back. राहु में when Rahu phases out, you get rid of the crazies.
That happened. मैं बोला ना. That happened.
राहु में जितने आपने गले में सांप डाले होते हैं ना.
So that is the passion we didn't speak about.
सर, राहु में जो सांप गले पड़े होते हैं, जुपिटर की बत्ती ऑन होने पड़ता. भाई, ये नेकलेस नहीं है, क्या है परामार.
I agree.
So this is how these three things end.
But this is a beautiful thing जो आपने बताई, right? कि change of state also has a play from which planet to which planet.
Yeah.
और वो relationships जो आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे या हमेशा के लिए चले जाएंगे, completely depends on which planet to which planet.
Yeah.
Beautiful theory.
So वो theme हमको देखना पड़ेगा. So again, so that you have to keep in mind. वो रिश्ते ट्रांसफॉर्म होंगे, बट केतु का कांटा नहीं जुड़ता. हाँ, लेकिन केतु की खासियत क्या है? Those who stood by you in Ketu, chances are they will remain with you till the very bloody end.
Exactly.
You met me in Ketu.
I met you in Ketu.
Yeah. So Ketu दशा संधि खत्म होने तक you realize who are your true friends.
And the beauty is, I met you when I was at my entering my Shani,
Yeah.
and you were in Ketu. तो हमारा जोड़ जो है वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा.
मजबूत जोड़.
Hmm.
राहु स्पेशली दशा संधि खत्म होने तक विल टेक द बली ऑफ केतु विल टेक द बली ऑफ एवरीथिंग विच हैज बिकम रिडंडेंट इन लाइफ. कितने ही प्यारे रिश्ते हैं, और जहां बैठा होगा वहां तो तलवार चलाएगा. राहु यू रियलाइज हु द स्नेक्स आर.
Snakes are.
क्योंकि राहु पीरियड तो यू हैंग आउट विद स्नेक्स, वो आपको इच्छाधारी नाग बिल्कुल ऐसे अमेजिंग लगते हैं. इन जुपिटर यू रियलाइज व्हाट दे हैड डन एंड देन यू abandon them and you run. Rahu is smokes and mirrors. Shani is the real thing. So with this we come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section, and we'll see you in some other video soon. Jai Shani Dev, Jai Ma.
Jai Shri Dev, sir.